we simply get into Facebook or Instagram and spend a lot of time there by seeing videos and other photos, etc. So in this video I will teach you how to avoid procrastination by blocking these websites. By blocking the websites you can able to focus on your work or any projects that you are doing. In this tutorial we are going to use Python to block websites. To do this project we don't need any packages. We can simply do this with the time and date time package. Let's get into the project. Here my operating system is Windows operating system. The path of the host file in Windows operating system is, I will show you the path of the host file. So simply go to your file manager, go to C drive and go to Windows. In Windows you should search for system32, then drivers, etc. So here this is the host file of the Windows. This is the host file of Windows operating system. So here we mention the host path and the local host IP address. Here you need to mention your website that you want to block. So I'm taking the websites list that I want to block. I'm simply using blocker the websites facebook.com and instagram.com. We need to mention the specific time for which you want to block the websites. So for this we are using the daytime package. So here is the code to block all the websites. Here D is the date time we taken and D.now.year gives the present year 2020. D.now.month gives us the present month, that is July, that 7 or 6, and D.now.day gives us the today date, that is 19th. So here 8 is the time. From morning 8 to evening 7 I have a lot of work to do, so that I want to block the websites in this time. So 8 is the time and 19 evening 7. So my working hours are from morning 8 to evening 7, so I don't want to access these websites in this time, so I am here giving this. This is the time at morning 8 o'clock and this is the timing at evening 7 o'clock, and now is the present time. With the concept of files, we are opening the host file and reading all the content inside the host file into the variable content. Here if the particular website, for example take facebook.com in the host file, we simply pass the function, or else we need to write the facebook.com in the host file. So what if the time is completed? So after 7 o'clock we need to unblock all the websites. So it is a code for blocking the websites, and we need to unblock the websites after 7 o'clock in the evening. So we need to write code for that. This is the code for deleting all the websites that we entered. It simply truncates the file like original host file. You can set the amount of time for receiving notifications, whether it is a working hour or not working hour. Enjoy your hours. Here 4 is the seconds. You can set your own time. This is the beginner's project in Python, but in this video I showed a simple program how to block websites using Python. By this you can create your own program useful for you, like simply by adding graphical user interface to this program or blocking the website for certain minutes. Like you want to block the website for 30 minutes, you can rewrite this program that blocks the website for 30 minutes. Create your own version of the project and comment your idea. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more interesting projects.